Hello there, aspiring programmers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we dive into the exciting world of C# programming. I am so happy to be your guide on this incredible journey of learning and mastering C#. But wait, what exactly is C#? It is a powerful and versatile programming language developed by Microsoft. So simply put, it is a programming language. What is a programming language anyway? It is a tool that helps us to write programs on the computer, or write programs that a computer can understand and can be used by humans. So it is basically a programming language. Okay. It is widely used for building a variety of applications that ranges from desktop software to web applications and even games. Okay, so in this series, we will start from the very beginning and cover everything you need to know to become proficient in C#. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some programming experience, this series will have something definitely for you. Okay? Alright, so throughout this series, we will explore the fundamental concepts of C#, understand how to write clean code and efficient code. We'll also delve into the exciting world of object-oriented programming, where we'll think of our code or our programming in terms of objects. Okay, we are going to liken our project or our programming to real-world objects. Okay, all right. Now we will cover topics like variables, data types, control structures, functions, and much more. Okay, all right. But it is not just going to be about theory. Along the way, we will work on practical examples and coding exercises to help solidify our understanding of the concepts that we are going to talk about. I want this to be an interactive learning experience, so feel free to ask questions, leave comments, and share your thoughts. Your feedback and engagement are incredibly valuable to me. Whether you are aspiring to be a professional developer seeking to enhance your programming skills, or simply curious about the world of coding, this series is definitely for you. So are you ready to embark on this C# programming adventure together? Let's dive in and unlock the incredible potential that C# has to offer. Stay tuned for the first episode, where we will set up our development environment and write our very first C# program. Until then, happy coding. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video, leave a comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Bye.